Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black and white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a piece of string that measures about 30 inches. You're going to start by putting one white bead on each side, white that goes through both, black on each side, white that goes through both, black on each side, black that goes through both, black on each side. You're going to grab this end and then pull the other one. Pull that tight and tie it. Cut this. You're going to put your needle on and go through this black bead. You're going to add a black and another black. You're going to add a white, flip it over, go through this white. We're going to add a white and a black. You're going to add a black, flip it over. We're going to go through these two. You're going to add a black. You're going to add another black. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. You're going to add a black, and we're going to go down these two beads, down this one, and then up these two. Flip it over. You're going to add a black, another black, white, and another white. We're going to go down these two, up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. You're going to add white, another white, black, flip it over. We're going to add black, white, another white, and another white. You're going to go down these two, up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. You're going to add white, black, black. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. You're going to add white and another white. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. You're going to add a white and go through all of these beads. And now you can tie it. and cut this off. That's what it looks like. And if you want to make this a bracelet, you'll just go through either this bead or this one, depending on how you want to wear it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.